Hello all. In this problem, I am going to explain how to solve this problem in Fusion. So let us assume this is my front view and this is the side view of the component and this as the top view of the component. Now the maximum detailing that I can see in the side view, so I am starting drawing from the side view of the component. So let's start drawing now in the Fusion application directly. So what are the possible sketch I can see? Here is the base. I can see for the value of 47 of height 7 mm. Okay, now the overall height from here to the center is 26 mm, and then I can see from the center there are two circles. One is of diameter 11 mm, one is of diameter 22 mm. Now let's start drawing in the Fusion application. Now open Fusion application, create sketch in the side view. So first go to create rectangle and a center of rectangle. Now take a rectangular dimension 7 mm of 47 mm. So 7 by 47 is the base dimension. So after drawing this rectangle, take one center line for our reference purpose. Now convert into a construction line. Later on, draw one circle of diameter 11 mm, and from the base measure the value 26 mm. Now from the center point, draw one more circle of diameter 22. Now take a line from the end corner, draw one line touching the side of the circle. Make sure here tangency relation was established. If this tangency relation is not established, make sure go to constraint, select the tangent and then establish the tangency between these two. Now go to create and select the mirror command. Select this line with respect to the mirror line here and click OK. Now you got this. After that, draw a small rectangle here of dimension 6 mm and measuring 3 mm on either sides. Now use the trim command, remove the excess portions as shown here. Now click on the finish sketch. Okay, now orient this object to the home position. Now the step 1, we have to extrude it. So what part I am going to extrude? I am going to extrude as this base. So this base is for 26 mm. So the base is 26 mm. Select this object and extrude it for 26. Now reactivate the sketch. Now the second level, here I have it for 5 mm. Now extrude this part and this part for 5 mm. Now third part, it's a small rectangle here which is of dimension 8 plus 5. Total extrude it for 13 mm. Extrude this small rectangle for 13 mm. Now the final step of these two circles. Now extrude it for 18 mm. Extrude this value for 18 mm. That's it. Now turn off the sketch, click onto the home position. So now you can save the component as experiment number 13. Okay, you can take out the projections as discussed in the early problems. So thanks for watching, guys.